Hello guys, this side Raj again. Welcome back. So today was a day to train shoulder. So for training shoulder, this is one of the best workout, guys. Seated dumbbell press. This is one of the best workout, guys. Make sure when you're going up, you have to squeeze your shoulder and you have to squeeze your shoulder, guys. Hold for a second and then come. Okay. So concentrate when you do this workout. See how I'm doing. I'm going very slowly down and squeezing my shoulder and traps, and then I'm going up. So guys, perform this workout 3 sets. The workout will be like, start with like 12.5 weight, that will be around, try to get 25 reps, then increase to 15 and then 17. So 3 sets. Set will be like 25, 20 and then 10. This is the best workout, guys, for hitting your shoulder. Perform this workout, guys. This is the first set when you train your shoulder. So this is the standing, same workout but standing dumbbell press I'm doing here. So you can see how I'm squeezing my both shoulder. Just to take in this video to show you how I'm doing. The movement should be very slow, guys. Okay, don't go very fast, and when you go up, try to join both the dumbbell. So this is the best workout, guys, for getting your sexy shoulder traps basically. So this is the best workout. So perform this workout and add this workout when you train this shoulder, and you can see a great transformation result, guys. So, and the advantage of workout is many things. Yeah, many advantages there for workout, guys. So do workout, look cool every time and look young every time. So, and now you can all know this is called front raise dumbbell front raise. This is the best workouts, but I am doing in a different way. See how when I am doing up, I am trying to hold the second hand and then squeezing my both shoulder traps basically. This is the best workout for hitting your shoulder, guys. Perform this workout 3 sets. The set will be the reps will be around like 25, then you can 15 and then 10. So try to move, increase the weight when you move to the second set, guys. This is best workout for hitting your shoulder basically, guys. Perform this workout and DM me if you got good result, guys. So same way, but now the position of dumbbell is very see how I am doing same workout, but I'm trying to do so with the heavy weight plus it is also called shoulder front raise basically. It is called Russian front raise, guys, basically. So this workout is very benefit if you want to get the bigger shoulder traps, guys, basically. So you can see how I'm doing. I'm holding for a second and then come. You have to just squeeze your shoulder muscle, guys, when you're going down. Okay, so don't go very fast, go slowly. Concentrate the mind with the muscle you are training. So I'm training my shoulders, so I'm just concentrating my mind with that muscle. So guys, add this workout and you can see a great result, guys. The set will be as 20, then 20, then 10 and then 8 you can do. So it's the best workout, guys. This is the workout which I am performing here. Now this is the second workout I am doing. Lateral raise, you all know this workout is a very common workout, guys. But make sure when you do squeezing your both the you're squeezing your shoulder muscle, guys. See how I'm doing. Try to hit shoulder as much as possible. I'm doing with 7.5 now. Try to do with the low weight. So normally how people do, I'll show you that workout also. So this is the correct form of doing this workout. But I seen many but I'm seeing many people doing very wrong way. I have done taken that video. So I'm telling don't do with this way. So I normally see people doing the workout like this. So it is not correct way of doing this lateral raise, guys. It will only effort, time and energy is wasting. So don't do this way workout. Do workout how I'm trained first told you. So this is the workout for getting your bigger shoulder traps, guys. So when you're going down, you have to open the shoulder traps as much as possible. So this is the best workout for hitting your and getting a bigger shoulder trap basically, guys. If you want to get shoulder traps very bigger and sexy, then you have to do this workout. And while going down, you have to open both the shoulder traps. See, I'm going down, full down. I'm going. Many people go very half. So shoulder traps should get the movement should be very important. Okay, so that then only the muscle will grow, guys. You can see how I'm doing. I'm squeezing my shoulder trap basically. This is the workout for getting a sexy shoulder traps, guys, basically. So at this workout, the set will be like 30, 20 and then 10. Now all know this is called face pullover, guys. Face pullover. See, when I'm going, I'm squeezing my shoulder. Just pull the rope and squeeze the shoulder, guys. So this is the best workout. If you do in very effective way, this is one of my favorite workout, guys, and I never skip this workout. Okay, this workout should be your last workout. So this is the workout. Just perform this workout and you can see a great result, guys. So do workout, guys. Give time to yourself. Learn to love yourself, guys. In order to love others, first learn yourself. Love yourself. Do workout. Workout has many benefits. So DM me for fitness tips. Love you all, guys.